Hello and welcome to the M2. Now I just made a video on how to code things in your car with BimmerCode. So there is one feature that I want to talk to you guys about that you should not code into your car in the winter time. Just do not do it. So let me talk about what that is and why you shouldn't code it into your car.
So here is the M2. Now what you will see, these mirrors, currently this car is unlocked. If I lock the car, what you will see is after a moment, those mirrors will fold. And then same thing on the other side, if I unlock the car, those mirrors will open up. Now this is a really cool feature to automatically code into your car, and I have a video on how to do that.
But the issue that you will find with coding this in your car in the winter is you can do a lot of damage to your car if you have this active. So for me, I live in New England, so we get a lot of snow, we get a lot of rain that ends up turning into ice. It's a rainy, crappy day out today. I don't know how well you can see if it's picking up, but really garbage day. And if it gets cold enough, it'll freeze. So the reason this is bad, and I'll show you why.
So what's probably obvious is that these are powered by a motor. So there is a motor inside each one of these in here that pretty much turns the mirror closed or open. So what can happen in the winter is if you have a lot of snow or a lot of ice, and this is all covered in ice, if you go to unlock your car, if it's frozen, that motor will struggle against all the ice. If it's thick enough, you can burn out the motor and completely destroy it.
So I know it is a really cool feature to be able to just click a button and have them automatically open and close. Do not code it in the winter. I'm telling you, you could do a lot of damage and have to replace both of them if you do so. Now, if you have mild winters, light winters, or if your car is parked in a garage, it's probably not going to be that big of a deal. But if you park your car outside, it's just not a good idea to have that coded in your car. I know we all love having cool features coded in our cars. This is one of the ones that I would honestly say for the winter, just leave off your car. If you really need to fold your mirrors in, just hit the button on the inside and just do it manually. Now I know some people may be thinking, well, do you really have to worry about that? Is this something that's really gonna happen in reality? Are they really gonna burn out? Do you really get that much snow and ice that it can happen? Well, I haven't had it happen to my car. I've had that much ice, and I've had situations, not on this car, but on my M240i, where I couldn't even get into my car because the window was so iced over that when you go to open, because the windows have to drop that like half an inch to be able to open the door, they couldn't because they were so frozen solid with ice. If the motor's not strong enough to be able to roll down the windows because of all the ice, it is only realistic to think that the mirrors can get damaged as well. Quick video, just a little tip for you guys out there that are doing any coding in your car, first time coding. Just be aware that there's mechanical parts on some of these things that if you code, you could damage in the winter because of ice. So just wanted to make this quick video on that because I know a lot of people jump right into coding as soon as they have the ability to. They get their first adapter, they just start coding things left and right, and it's really awesome to do really cool things to the car. But just a little disclaimer, just think, use your head. Just make sure you guys aren't doing any damage to your car in the process. So quick video there. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you found this useful. Leave it a like if you did. Subscribe if you want to see more videos. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time.